wife and I noticed as it was raining, go figure up here, that we saw a little bubble in some of our paint, and we poked it, saw it was a bunch of water, reached out and spoke to Guardian. You guys came out right away to do the assessment, showed me a lot of issues with why a patch job wouldn't be the right thing, and it absolutely made sense. That being said, we went ahead, scheduled to get the roof replaced, ended up working out to where they started right before I left. I took off that day, and I was gone for 3 days. By the time I came back, the roof was completely replaced. Everything was super clean. It was actually pretty awesome. So I did have one issue with one of my skylights that I had called up. You guys sent out somebody right away. He came, took it off, resealed it. It was awesome. You guys have been great. I absolutely would be recommending you guys to family and friends. In fact, I have put in a good word with some of my neighbors already. So thank you guys. Appreciate it.